In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bookmap time and sales. Now to do this, first of course you want to open your chart, and time and sales might be a bit hidden. So to actually get it, what you want to do, you want to go here to the right hand side where you can see COB and SVP, and you want to right click on any of these, and then you want to go and click on Insert Column. Now when you do this, of course it's going to duplicate one, so you can just basically select whichever one you want to change the time and sales. You want to right click and then click on here where it says configure column, or if you can see time and sales down here, you can just click on that. So I'm going to click configure column, and then in here you'll be able to basically change it. Okay, you can click the change type, and here you have time and sales, and there we go. Again, you could right click here, click on time and sales. That's going to work too. Now whenever you actually see this in here, you're going to be able to start using it, and to use it, it's super simple. You can go and show or hide the setting controls over here, and this button here is going to export data in your column as a CSV file. So if you click on that, you can give it a name, save it wherever you want, and click on the save button. And then this thing over here is going to basically pop it out. So it says detach column into a separate window. So if you want to do this, you can go ahead and detach as well. Then here you have minimum size and maximum size. Now what these two do, if you hover over them, it's self-explanatory. The min size is going to be minimum allowed size of a trade to be shown. So if I click on over here, you'll see it's going to start updating less frequently because of course the minimum size of a trade has to be 1. So if I now uncheck this, it's going to start rushing through again. And then the maximum size can also be adjusted. So if you click on that, the max size is going to be here. Of course, you can go and check both, and I could do, for example, like 5 and then 50 over here, and it's going to filter between these, okay? And if I disable them, as you can see over here, there we go, now all of them are showing. And now here you can also show individual trade events. So basically it's going to show this instead of attempting to reconstruct execution just like that. And then you can show all, you can show only buys or only sells, okay? So these are kind of the settings you can use, and that's essentially it. If you want to get rid of it, you can then right click and click on hide column, and that's really how to use the Bookmap time and sales. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.